Well, we took a bunch of pictures of it. Now we're gonna do a video of it since it's ready to go to bug jam. We're gonna leave tomorrow. Looks like we might be leaving Friday. Avoid all the rain. Y'all see my guard dog sitting there. He's guarding everybody. Really like the headliner, how it come out. Smoothed all the inside. Hit the radio down here. Of course, made it right-hand drive. Got the Smitty smoothies on it. Made the split bumpers. Also lowered the headlights 2 inches. Got the splits on the back with LEDs in it. Come up here, Jeff opened the hood. Put the mechanism underneath, shaved the handle. No wires. Deborah made me the wire cover. We'll go back here and raise the engine lid. Thanks to Smitty Smoothies for the W deck lid. $19.15 deal 40s. Stainless exhaust tucked up underneath. Then the deck lid also adjusts out. So if you're driving it, since we shaved the vents off and put a third brake light in. But just wanted to do a video of it. I know everybody's seen pictures of it. Hope to see everybody this weekend.